inputs and outputs to invent mind-blowing controllers for your games. Go beyond the joystick and twist, slide, touch, push, and sing to control sound, motion, and your LED matrix. Inputs and outputs are the best of friends. They snap together and can stay like that forever. Outputs are the green bits in your code kit. They do something, like flash rainbow colors, make sounds, spin or turn, and have you staring at beautiful colors infinitely. Inputs are all the pink bits in your code kit. These bits tell the outputs what to do. They respond to things like pushing a button, sliding, or how loud this room is to send signals that affect the bits that follow. Snap a code bit to the mix and get ready to make some magic. Code bit who? You can imagine the code bit like your brain. It's there sitting in your head waiting for signals from the outside world. Good thing you have your senses to do just that. Send signals to your brain. Get a high five from your friend? Your senses will be quick to report to your brain a signal of what just happened. Just how inputs work. When they sense something, they rush to tell the code bit, hey, look what's up. Now the code bit will take those signals and think about how it wants to react to them. Just like your brain making you smile when you get a high five, the code bit will tell outputs how to react to signals from inputs. All this happens by loading code to your code bit. Code? Let's get right into that. In your CodeKit app, you can use all sorts of code blocks to program your controllers. A friendly reminder, blocks are these ones, and bits are these ones. Bit, block, easy. The wait till in is on block in the time code block menu makes it easy to control a game character by pressing a button. Other great code blocks are these fan favorites, the send image block and the send tone block in the sound menu. Snap an input like a slide dimmer to it and turn your world into a DJ set. Ready to make some controllers? First tutorial is right here.